Welcome to Tools Query. Today, we're going to talk about the 10 best tools for cars. These are the essential tools that every car owner should have, whether you're a DIYer or just want to be prepared for anything. So, without further ado, here are the 10 best tools for cars. Number 1. Socket set. A socket set is a collection of sockets that fit over nuts and bolts. The sockets are connected to a ratchet, which is a handle that allows you to turn the sockets. Socket sets come in a variety of sizes, so you can find one that fits the nuts and bolts on your car. Number 2. Spanners. Spanners are similar to socket sets, but they don't have a ratchet. Instead, they have a fixed handle. Spanners are a good choice for smaller nuts and bolts, or for situations where you don't need the versatility of a socket set. Number 3. Pliers. Pliers are a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. They can be used to grip, cut, and bend. Pliers come in a variety of shapes and sizes, so you can find the right ones for the job. Number 4. Screwdrivers. Screwdrivers are used to tighten and loosen screws. They come in a variety of shapes, including flathead, Phillips, and Torx. The shape of the screwdriver bit should match the shape of the screw head. Number 5. Torx bits. Torx bits are used for Torx screws, which are a type of screw that has a star-shaped head. Torx screws are becoming increasingly common, so it's a good idea to have a set of Torx bits in your toolbox. Number 6. Allen keys/hex keys. Allen keys and hex keys are used for Allen screws, which are a type of screw that has a hexagonal head. Allen screws are often used in furniture and other objects, but they can also be found in cars. Number 7. Hammers. A sturdy hammer is more than just a way to relieve stress. It's vital for those situations when a gentle tap can solve a problem or help with part installations. Hammers are a useful tool for a variety of tasks, such as driving nails, breaking things, and prying things open. There are many different types of hammers, so you can choose the right one for the job. Number 8. Torque wrench. A torque wrench is used to apply a specific amount of torque to a nut or bolt. This is important to prevent over-tightening, which can damage the nut or bolt. Torque wrenches come in a variety of sizes, so you can find one that fits the nuts and bolts on your car. Number 9. Jack. When it comes to changing tires or accessing the underside of your car, a reliable jack is your best friend. Safety is crucial, so invest in a quality jack. There are many different types of jacks, so you can choose the right one for your car. Number 10. Impact wrench. Last but not least, the mighty impact wrench. An impact wrench is a powerful tool that is used to loosen and tighten nuts and bolts quickly. Impact wrenches are often used by mechanics, but they can also be useful for DIYers. These are just 10 of the best tools for cars. There are many other tools that you might need, depending on the type of car you have and the kind of work you're doing. But these 10 tools are a great place to start. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about tools.